Hi guys, I know you're used to seeing Tech Tip Tuesday with Timmy. Timmy's out, he's a little sick, so they asked Chris Goss to do it. I'm Chris. I'm gonna be the one showing you what we're gonna do today. Today, on Tech Tip Tuesday with Chris, we're gonna install wiper blades on a 2018 Chevrolet Traverse. Maybe you're driving around, it's raining, your wipers are streaking, maybe you see that the element's torn a little bit. With all this weather we've been getting lately, it's good to have good, clean wiper blades on your car that are working efficiently. I'm gonna pull this arm up. There's gonna be a tab here that's gonna lock your wiper blade in place. With a little pocket screwdriver, I'm just gonna pop this up, pull the wiper blade off, and then I'm gonna set this back down so nothing falls or hits it and knocks into the windshield. Could crack your windshield. We don't want that. We're gonna replace these wiper blades with AC Delco wiper blades. After we removed our old wiper blade, we're gonna put this arm back up. We're gonna take our new wiper blade and we're gonna snap it right into place. Make sure it's good and secure, and you can put it back down to the vehicle just like that. If you just repeat that step on the passenger side, you'll be good to go.
Sapaugh GM power.